Okay, guys, it's taking YouTube forever to upload a video, so I'm probably gonna post this tomorrow. And I've got another girl here that's talking. What is this? I already know about that. The warning makes history in Mexico. First sold out. I knew this. And what I'm trying to explain to people about the warning band is that I saw potential in them, not during when they did the Inner Sandman. To me, that was just some baby girls playing a cover. But as they grew into musicianship and began to see what they were doing, of course I knew that it would be a sellout in Mexico. They love them. They love them. But as I've said before, I can't understand why their fans do not support them on YouTube. They just don't. They should be like I said, there are other artists on YouTube that are well over 1 million subscribers. Why? Because their fans love them. Love them. And I know the fans are passionate. You ought to see this. I mean, I'm still going. I can't even stop. I'm still scrolling. This is how many people are making comments. I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling. I'm still scrolling. Like I said, they've got a lot of fans. The guy that talked about when they get a fan base, they might get over 1 million subscribers. They've got a hell of a fan base. They do. It's just the fans don't understand YouTube. And they don't know how to use YouTube. You know, it's not hard. What you do is you go on the computer and you type in YouTube. And YouTube comes up. Then in search in YouTube, you put in the warning band. And you can go directly to their channel. And then when you subscribe, you'll get notifications all the time about the warning. You get, really, all you got to do is watch some ads. No big deal. As I said, you watch TV and you have ads. Okay. And you can do premium YouTube where you don't have to watch ads anymore. I don't watch ads. I haven't seen an ad on YouTube in years. So my whole point is that the fans, I hope you learn how to be able to use YouTube, because it's a wonderful place for you to go. And let me do this again. And yeah, YouTube's taking too long. I'll do this tomorrow. I've got one that I've been trying to do. It's been over 15 minutes and it's still pending. It's still pending. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go back to the YouTube channel, and I'm trying to teach the fans. I'm trying to teach the fans how to use YouTube. I mean, I've told you before, I'm a poor boy. I am dead poor boy. I mean, you know, I can't just be jumping and riding a bus to Raleigh to see the warning or see a band. So I'm Sabrina Carpenter. I'd love to see her live. I didn't have a way to go to Raleigh to see her in concert. So what do? I go to her YouTube. So let me tell you again, what you do, you can go in any search engine on the internet and put in YouTube. That's YouTube, YouTube, and it takes you directly to YouTube. Then you type in search the warning and it'll take you to their channel. Let me tell you all the great things that you get. You get videos, shorts, live releases, playlists, posts, and store. You can actually go to their store. People are not utilizing it at all. They're at 879,000 subscribers now. And I mean, if you went through here and saw all the absolutely fantastic stuff they've got in here, I mean, it's amazing. And as I said, what their fans don't know is they are YouTube creators. This is what they do, along with their writing songs, concerts, and things like that. So let me go through again for their fans. What you do is go to Google, Edge, there's some more out there, whatever search engine you use. And if you don't know what a search engine is, you're going to have to find somebody to help you. Put in YouTube, that's YouTube. It'll take you to YouTube's site. Put in the warning, and it'll take you directly to it. And, press subscribe. Helps a lot. Peace, guys.